Today we are going to make a greeting card for DIWALI. Now take a lemon yellow paper and fold it into half. Now let's keep this as a side. Now I am going to take a reddish paper. Now I am taking this and taking length. Now see, the side is fully with the yellow, and in the middle we can see the red color. Now I am tearing. Now the greeting card front side is ready. Now keep it that as a side and take another reddish paper. Now take another reddish paper and cut this into a rectangle piece. Now fold it like how to make butterfly. Now I am folding. Now it's like a deebam. Now we are going to paste in front of this in the middle and keeping yellow fire like structure. Now take gum and take the reddish paper and paste it in inside. Like this. I am pasting like this. Now turn the front side page and now I am pasting this like a girl's cut. Now I pasted it. Now take any fire color paper and cut it into triangle shape. Now I cutted it with the triangle shape. Now I am folding this like this. Now let's paste this. Now see, it's like a fire. Now here I will paste. Now our greeting card is slightly ready. Now let's decorate it with stickers and tapes. Now I will decorate and show you. Now our greeting card is ready. This is the front page. Second page you can decorate yourself anything. So I am not decorating anything. First page I decorated with the stones and Happy Diwali I wrote and tapes. So okay friends, subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye friends.